okay. It's just a bantay ang bag. Ako dili important, ang bag important. Oh! We can see it! All good! Oh! I'll see you when we're back! We gotta get out of here! It's all good, we're already at the end, but good morning from one of the most beautiful barangays in the area, Lambajon. It's big, it has a lot of beach coves. And behind me, remember that place we had a few drinks and some food the other night? That is the Unknown Bar, where there's something about it now that's changed, and I gotta show you it. First though, I just want to see what's going down because it looks like a boat has just pulled up now. I like that. What's up? How are you gonna use that? Suwasi. Brad, asa gikan?
Sa dagat.
So here in Baganga, there's a few places that the boats land. There's Bacolin, which is down an area I've vlogged before. Lambajon here. The kids are just jumping on the boat, sorry, it's distracting. And then in Kinablangan, which is an area up by that kind of sandbar that I stand-up paddleboarded before. Anyways, those are Suwasi. They're kind of small, thin fish that are really good for prito. You can just fry them up. What I'm gonna do is have a brunch here and a fancy coffee at Bean Talk. Yes, remember that coffee shop that used to be on the main road? It is now moved. It's over here at the Unknown. Bean Talk Cafe. And it's Mr. Bean Talk. Bro, what's up, Ringo? How are you? Good. Okay, bro, I have a question. What is your fanciest or most intense coffee?
For now, the most intense of them all is this one.
This one? Ansani?
Siphon.
Siphon? Can you make me a siphon this morning?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Bean Talk is gonna make me a siphon coffee. Can I also order the kulash shwarma? Does that exist?
Yeah.
Okay. Kulash shwarma, siphon coffee, let's go. Whoosh. Sound effects. So Mr. Bean Talk Ringo, he uses Mount Apo beans. And I'll talk to you more about that later because again, I'm going on Mount Apo very soon, which is why I'm getting fired up with some coffee this morning and got my hiking boots on. Thanks, bro. Good luck. Agitate my coffee. I like the view, man. This is why I'm digging the new Bean Talk. The view, and you have space to sit. Did we just pour that in? What do you do now, man?
Just pour it.
I can just pour it? Like,
I guess.
oh, no way. Okay, cool. Remember, before you head off on a random mystery Bukid quest, you must have a social cup of coffee in Lambajon. And a shawarma. You can get it with meat. I got my meat free. Let's eat. There's a boat coming in. One of the people are yelling already. I'm gonna go drone it for good vibes. Here comes the Isda, Coffee Isda, beach, Lambajon. See you on the road. Remember the bridge that Commander Dawad and myself stopped at before going on a waterfall trek? Well, I'm currently eating a Baganga banana queue on it. Here's the plan. I know there's a Kapuka Falls up there, but I also remember from last time there's motorbike. There's another falls just past it. So I think I'm gonna go into the barangay, they already know me, see if I can get a guide and see if I can break in my hiking shoes from Mount Apo by trekking back to that falls and up to the next one. I brought my rain gear today, but for now I think we're all good. Let's go. Lots of sagging. Back when we first arrived last year in June, a lot of people were planting lakatan. I think the price went up, and everywhere you look you see a lot of banana plantations, like I was harvesting. By the side of the road here, bananas. We're just heading off about 10 minutes into the Bukid. I can't remember the name of the barangay, but I remember the area very well because we were here. Oh, Lamiawan. Here we go. Welcome to Barangay Lamiawan, Caraga, Davao Oriental. Friendly reminder, if you arrive at a barangay hall around 12 noon, it could be lunchtime and there could be nobody around, so. But, I did find out, looking at the board, every Saturday I can find people here jogging. I might join the joggers club of Barangay Lamiawan one day. Until then, just gonna wait until somebody shows up and see if we can go on a little trek. So, if you didn't know, I definitely didn't know, but this barangay was actually given a prize for being one of the cleanest barangays in the entire Davao region. And literally, I'm looking around right now in the middle of the plaza, I can't see any garbage. This is so clean. Gabi. Oh, what happened? Musta? Gabi ka limpyo, no? Musta? Ayos. Okay lang. Yo, tambay. Gusto ko ato sa Oogwad. So una ato sa Kapuka. So, but medyo taas sa Suba. Pero karon. Okay. This is really cool. It's really clean. You guys have like the cleanest barangay. I can't see any garbage anywhere. Alright, I've been talking with Chad. Chad, right?
Yeah.
And Chad's from the barangay. I noticed on the sign says every Saturday you have jogging.
Yeah.
But do you also clean up? Or?
Yeah, every Saturday.
So every Saturday it's like jogging and limpio sa barangay.
Yes.
That's really cool. You guys have a beautiful, hello mom, you have a beautiful barangay. Really, really beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna hopefully sort out a guide or something. I'll see you later. Yes! This is my idol! Sige! Power on! I'll follow you, Brad. Sige! Jollyboy's back! Well, one of the nice things again about tourism and tourist spots is they build roads, and roads build peace. And you know, it's great to see in Bukid areas of Mindanao more vibes like this. So I'll see you when we get to the jump off for the falls. If I remember correctly, it's 3 different little sitios you pass through. Beautiful day, the clouds are lying low. Hey, basta, mein hapon. Said, hey Joe. I said, hey, mein hapon. He said, okay. Mein hapon. So many hey Joes. Woo! Alright, we have made it to Sitio, Gab, and we're already running down the side of the hill. Well, not running, just going down, heading towards Kapuka. I'm following Jollyboy. Jollyboy, no? Jollyboy. Jollyboy. Not Joeyboy, Jollyboy. And we are making our way back into the forest. Here we go. There's lots of yakal trees here. Those are famous hardwood trees in the Philippines. I believe they're endangered. But beautiful forest right up the middle of a valley here in Caraga. Sitio, Gab. Let's go. Jollyboy's going no chinelas. He's going barefoot. He's got my bag. I'm probably gonna get my shoes wet, but that's good. I'll break them in. Whew. That's Kapuka. It's beautiful. Maybe I'll show you it later. You can look at my other video. We're going for Oogwad. Last time we were here, this was Suba. This is really beautiful. We're just going up the side of the river. Big limestone cliffs here on my right hand side. Whew. I need to ambak. Kaya! Ninja moves! Yes. Woo! Tabi apo, tabi po, tabi apo. We're literally running up sa Amihan. This should all be Suba, no? We're literally in the middle of a river, but there's no river because the dry season's here. Okay, we crossed the river. Now we're gonna make some time because we see a little bit of ulan coming in the future here, but it's not forecast for another couple hours, so feeling good. Jollyboy knows what's up. Just cross the river and head for Oogwad. You can see it in the distance. Well, I can't, but the drone can. Let's go. Woo. I see why last time we couldn't go up here. Unsa yung pangalan sa Suba?
Ha?
Unsa yung ngalan sa Suba?
Suba?
Oh.
Ano? Manurigaw. Manurigaw na din.
Ah, Manurigaw. Ah, not Barangay. Barangay Manurigaw. This is the Manurigaw River. Woo! And I'm walking up the middle of it. Gabi, man. Oh! We can see it! All good! 3 river crossings! Well, Oogwad Falls! But I think the weather's about to change, so take a quick look, guys. We're gonna have to head out. Kapoy!
Di pa nga nang nagbuwad kay gawas ng naan ba to, gawas ng tubig.
So tubig gawas sa bato.
Ang pangalan ng natigulang, Wad.
Wad. Ah!
Tubig ko gawas.
Ang Wad Mandaya ba?
Oh, Mandaya.
Ah, cool. So Jollyboy's Mandaya, and he was telling me Oogwad refers to water coming out of a stone. They say Wad. So pangalan sa falls Oogwad, meaning water coming from the rock. I'll be back again. The ulan is gonna sayang. It's fun though. Good workout for the shoes. Last one, no? Dito. Ay, dua, no? Dua? Oh! I'll see you when we're back. We gotta get out of here. It's all good. We're already at the end, but we're gonna be wet. Woo! Oogwad! I think it's Oogwad Falls. Woo! My shoes are doing great. Feeling comfortable walking. I was slipped a bit there, but feeling comfortable walking in the rain. So I think, if anything, it's a good test for Mount Apo. Great to see a local guide again. Kapulko Falls. No tambay today. Woohoo! Funny how the rain is going away now. It just hit us for an hour there, but as soon as I leave, I can see the mist just coming up and the rain is passing through. I suggest having a better motor if you're gonna go there. You really need a proper motor. I'd been on the road before with my Mio though, so I just, you know, felt comfortable. Let this guy pass by. Yeah, you might be thinking, man, why would you go alone? Or again, I've been to this barangay before. People recognize me. Even my guide knew me from last time. I feel completely comfortable. Brad, kumusta? Ayos? Asa ka?
Sa ikan.
Ayos. Umwad.
Buka Falls.
Oh, nindot dito. Asa ka?
Saan mo ko man?
Solo flight.
Solo flight?
Okay naman. Let's see mo pangalan, Brad.
Dapat na kay kauban.
Okay lang, next time pohon. O barkada.
With you.
Ayos. I'm Pingayo, Brad.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Asa ka nagpuyo, Dewey?
Oh.
Bites. I'm Ping, Brad. You can't script that any better. Like I said, people here, a couple of people recognize me. There's a lot of friendly locals out here, and actually, I think it's so important that, you know, I challenge them as much as they challenge me. What do I mean by that? You know, as you see earlier when I was driving out and people were yelling, "Hey Joe," I throw out a lot of positive energy, you know, in these local communities, and I visit them alone because I want them to realize as well, I'm just a regular dude from Canada, and hey, I'm just coming out here with some good intentions to look at a waterfall. I'm trying to treat the barangay and people here with respect, and I'm hoping they'll do the same and throw it back at me. And, you know, by coming out and not showing fear, I hope as well it instills a little bit of, you know, empowerment and confidence in them as a community, that I believe in these communities, that they are peaceful, that they are full of good people, and that majority of people out here are gonna look after me or look after each other. And just like, it's hard to explain, but I just think it's so important that, you know, we show people that we believe in them and we trust in them. And once again, I had a great adventure, a lot of fun, and really looking forward to coming back here when the weather gets better, bringing friends and really enjoying that river and falls. So I hope that made sense, but basically, you know, believe in the good in the world around you, and you'd be surprised not only how much there is, but how much you can help it grow. So see you later. I'm not so basa.